Hello everybody, it is your African Girl Jaclyn JayCee and I'm back again with another video. So I've got on my wig cap and I've done my brows off camera. They're looking fine. So today I wanted to do a quarantine and chill makeup look because many people are actually at home. So do stay tuned and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Okay, cool. So now that we've done our brows, the first thing that we're going to go into is eyeshadow for eyes. And we are going to be going into this orange, this brown, and this yellow. So these three are at the top. We're going to do that. And then we're going to blend them out, fix the eyes, do the foundation, and get it done. So now that we've laid the brown base, we're going to take the orange, which is this one over here, and we're going to put that just on the center of the eye, like so, and we're going to blend it out. So basically creating like a lazy halo, you know, yeah. Then we're going to take the yellow and put that in our inner corner and blend out the brown over the orange, just so that it looks like a sunset, since it's like a chill vibe and low kind of thing. So I'll see you guys once I've done the foundation and I'm on to lips. Awesome, so now that we've created this, it looks a bit crazy, but we're going to be using the Revolution X Tammy palette, and yeah, we're going to use the golds for the inner corner. I'm going to use the very lightest one, which is this one over here. In there, just to get a little bit of light. I drop the back, they gonna hit them. This baddie wanna pop a skittle. I'm tired of niggas telling riddles. Till they pouring whip it through the ghetto. Till 6 bitch slime green, right in 911 Porsche yellow. Playing paddock in an AP. And it's been on the song. Speeding whip it like Toretto. Push the products in the pedal. Make us swallow down the middle. So I will now be using the Essence the gel pencil in number 1 black, which looks like this. I'm going to use that to line my eyes, and then we're going to move swiftly to the face, because this makeup look is supposed to be a kind of chill, effortless, indoor date vibe. So that's what we're going for, and then we're going to throw on our waist so we look cute, even though we haven't been indoors. So like a quarantine and chill kind of vibe. Alright? Awesome, so now that we've done lining our eyes, we'll be doing the mascara later. I'm going to be using the Vie Est Belle Stick Foundation in Mozambique, which is like a light kind of color, so shade rather. We're going to be using that one, and then we're also going to be using the Vie Est Belle Stick Foundation in Abidjan to contour, because it's quite dark and it goes well with this. So that's what we're going to do. So we'll be right back post foundation. Yeah, so do stay tuned. Okay, so with regards to powder, I'm going to be using the Essence Mattifying Compact Powder in Toffee number 43 for all the highlighted areas, for my under eyes, bridge of my nose, forehead, chin, and a bit of my cupid's bow. And then I'm going to contour using the Illegal Pro Face HD High Definition Matte Press Powder in... Okay, so as I was saying, we're going to be using the Essence Mattifying Compact Powder in Toffee for all the highlighted areas, and then we're going to be using Warm Caramel for the contoured areas. And I'm going to dip a bit into the Vie Est Belle the Zulu palette, this one, just to contour a bit, because the Illegal one isn't that pronounced. So let's do that. Let's highlight, and I'm just going to be using an ordinary brush that I bought from Clicks. Ideally, you could use a beauty blender for this, but I prefer a brush, and then it's easier for me to blend it out. LA Girl for the rest of the face, and then we're gonna mix them both. Blend them out in terms of mixing. Juvia's Paste. This is to bring warmth to the skin. You see the difference? Okay, cool. So now we're gonna move on to blush, and for blush we're gonna be using a tinier blush brush, and we're gonna dip into the yellow first to mimic the eyeshadow look. So this palette you can cross use it whether for face or for eyes. So we're gonna dip into the yellow, and it's a bit pigmented, so a little goes a long way. And then we're gonna top it off with the orange. And I like bringing my blush a bit forward, you know. I don't like pink blushes. We've now gone into the orange because they make me look a bit, I don't know, and black. And this gives me a sun-kissed look, you know. You can put a bit on your nose. A bit of a chin just to evenly distributed. Then for highlight, we're going to go into the Tummy X palette and use the same gold that we used on the eyes in the inner corner for the highlight. Cool, so we've popped on the wig, and what we're going to use for lips just to complement the eyes, we're going to be using the Nana Coco Liqueur in Mirror. And that completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. Please do remember to subscribe, like, comment, and do leave a comment in the description box if you enjoyed this video. After all, it is your African Girl Jaclyn JayCee, and I'll see you guys in the next video.